The ignition lock made by our company. Then where is this ignition lock installed? It is installed on this steering wheel column. Then where do we install it? Installed in this place. This is the lock tongue. It was pulled into this keyway. There's a keyway in here. Install this keyway inside, if you pretend it is. Put on this semi-circle. And then this ignition lock is installed. Put it here. This is us. Installation method of combination switch. Now take it out. This is one of our headlight switches. There is a base for the headlight switch itself. This is where we installed it. Here is a wiper switch. The wipers are the same. The whole thing is a combination switch. Installation method of an ignition lock.